Medicor is an established medical device manufacturer, facing the challenges of many SMEs Europe-wide. The workflow of production needs to be more agile, to be able to fit each customer's needs and not be dependent on fragile supply chains. Furthermore, facing the ultimate challenge of production traceability, which has been done manually at the manufacturing site, giving room for human error. MediScara is a modular solution developed by HSMA with Medicor together to solve both problems and provide relief for many other European SMEs facing similar challenges, backed by the EU's Horizon 2020 program.
The pandemic has resulted in many delays for our suppliers, causing delays in our production as well. Our infant incubator canopies are being produced off-site, but if a client wants any modification in shape, we will have to wait up to 2 months on the supplier. That is why we needed a quicker way of modifying our parts, not to mention going greener and avoiding the environmental effect of transportation. The European Union's new MDR regulation will take effect from May 2024. This needs all manufactured medical devices to be traceable with unique IDs and requires obligatory labeling of all equipment parts. The new regulation means an increased workload for small manufacturers by needing a huge amount of documentation in production.
Both challenges require robotics and automation expertise, which HSMA could provide as an experienced robotics tech provider in Hungary. The solutions developed are fully modular and easily modifiable for any manufacturer's needs, not only those from the medical sector.
We designed 2 modularly built robotic cells. The first challenge required a 6-axis robot for moving the incubator canopy around the desired cutting path, while the second needed automated visual checks for the incubator electronics, along with laser marking and labeling the main parts. We created 3 highly reusable ROSE APs powered by Fiverr, which can be utilized by any other manufacturing company. Firstly, both robotic cells needed a master control unit for communication between the factory floor's embedded hardware and the higher-level context broker through an IoT agent. All communication is solved with a standardized data structure and can be implemented for any other robotic solution. Another highly reusable element is the Manager web application for production tracking and task scheduling, which can be modified to fit other end users' needs. And finally, the new MDR regulation needs a higher level of documentation. That is why we developed an automated PDF document exporter. This takes visual quality checking data from a given database, and the PDF is automatically generated from each dataset, making it easier for SMEs to document their product flow. All these ROSE APs are ramp integrated and will be available on RAM Marketplace, giving the possibility to streamline the manufacturing of products for Medicor and other SMEs in Europe.